Here's interesting app called Planto, plant identifier. It's one of those apps which helps you to just scan a plant, and then you will be able to identify all of that things. Yeah, it's pretty cool app. I know there are a bunch of those, but like with AI technologies are getting better and better. So you can upgrade. And then you can just you need to give access to your camera, and then I don't know, let's just, I'm not like here in the outside, so let's just, for example, try something like this. So what it will say, for example, and then you can just scan it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then yeah, you can just add it to your garden, and then you can just see similar images, and then it's like added. And then yeah, you can just see your garden. Then you can just see search. Then you can see popular searches. And then you can just see settings. So yeah, like you just scan the image, then you can see all of the descriptions, taxonomy, similar images. And yeah, pretty cool. Then you can update data, remove from your garden. And that's basically the idea. So, and if you want, you can upgrade. The price here is in Danish krona, so it's around like $13, $14 per month. So give it a try.